Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 14th October 2023, Puratashi Masam 28th, Tuesday, Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varshardo, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Krishna Bhaksham, Tithi up to 4:44 p.m. Ashtami, then Navami, Bhaumavasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 5:58 p.m. Punarvasu Nakshatram, then Pushan Nakshatram. Today is Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7 to 9 a.m. and 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:05 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 11:55 a.m. Vrchika Rashi, then Dhanur Rashi.